Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to see a brief about UHA. Our flagship courses are Master Static Equipment Design and PVE Light, ASME Section 8 Division 2, and Master Welded Storage Tank, as per API 650. We have curated courses to suit your learning needs, so do visit our learning platform for more details on scootoid.thinkific.com.
So if you just see the structure of ASME, many times we get confused that where exactly this UHA lies, which part. So it's in subsection C, which is the requirement related to classes of material. So we studied UCS, which is related to carbon and low alloy steel. And now we are going to study UHA. There are lots of different other parts which are covered in subsection C. So if you see the structure, what exactly subsection C talks about. But mainly first it will talk under that material category like UCS or alloy steel or high alloy steel. What are the grades of material which are permitted? Okay. Then whether the post-welded treatment is required, and if required, what should be the cycle of PWHT? Okay. And then the MDMT calculation. These are the three requirements, as a designer, which are very, very important for us and which we take from subsection C. So if you see the structure of subsection C, carbon and low alloy steel, UCS, we have already studied. Apart from that, there is non-ferrous material, then UHA, high alloy steel, corrosion resistant, cast, ductile iron, ferritic, lots of different parts are there. So right now we are studying UHA, high alloy steel. Okay. So what exactly is high alloy steel? If you remember the classification of material is divided into carbon steel, low alloy, and high alloy. This is the typical classification. Carbon and low alloy steel, it's already covered in UCS. High alloy steel, which is mainly SS, is what we used for pressure vessel parts. That is covered in UHA. Okay. So starts with scope, like UHA is applicable for what? What are the requirements which are covered in this? So subsection A requirements and also requirement covered in subsection B, all that will be applied. Addition to that, this UHA, if any requirement is there, that also will become applicable. Okay. Now, where this UHA's materials are required, in which cases, where that contamination is to be avoided. Contamination can be critical for the service. So SS is very good material. It does not corrode. So it will not contaminate the liquid which is getting stored in this. Cleaning is very easy for SS material. Any services does not stick. And that is the reason for home also utensils we use SS. Okay, because it's good for food. It's easy to clean and also does not contaminate the food. Strength at high temperature is also very good. So if that is the application, there also we can use SS material. Scaling resistance, like any corrosion allowance, SS is very good in corrosion. So there also it finds its application. Impact, SS is very ductile material. It's a very good impact property. Okay.
For in-depth training and to learn more about these courses, register with the link in the description.